Today I'd like to review this 7-liter pet water fountain. It's amazing. You can use it for your cats or dogs. So let's go ahead and open the box and see what's inside. So as previous product water fountain, this one also came neatly packed. So I'm gonna open it up and see what's inside. So this is the main base. It has 2 filters, a dish portion, and the manual. It also has 2 more extra filters, which is appreciated. All the system, the cabling system is at the bottom. So I highly recommend to read the manual before you start using it. And I'll just set it up and we'll see it in action.